everyone, welcome back. Do you want to track your company's investors, ownership percentage, and valuation all in one place? So, Odoo has a powerful equity module, and most users actually don't even use it. So, here in this video, I'm going to explore it. So, now you can see this is the application launcher of Odoo, and here I've already downloaded or installed the application, which is Equity. Okay, so if you want the equity module, you can move on to the App Store and you can simply download that from there itself and you can simply open it. Okay. So here in this video, we are going to explore the equity dashboard in Odoo 19 and also understand how the cap table helps track shareholders' owners in detailed way. Okay. So first of all, let's start with the equity dashboard overview. From here itself, what are the things that you can find? Okay, first of all, let me, remove this one. Now you can see each and every kind of things, right? So now you can see there we have different kind of card type at view. This is actually the Kanban view. Now you can see there we have three type of cards. So that's basically the company cards. And now you can see the number of shareholders that actually under the company name or the company cards. Okay. And now you can see the total valuation and there we can find the number of transactions that actually happens, and lastly you can find the growth graph as well of that particular company card. Okay, so there we have three cards. One of them is actually invalid or inactive, but now you can see two of them is actually active and there you can see the graph as well, right? So each cards give you a quick summary of a company's ownership and financial values from the first glance. Okay, now let's talk about the shareholders and its ownership. So when you open any particular company, if I'm just opening this company by clicking on that particular card, okay, now you can see the shareholders. Who are the shareholders? And from there itself, you can see or you can track the ownership percentage of each shareholders. Okay, so there you can see each ownership percentage by moving on to here. There we have the company, which is Marshfield LLC. And from there, you can see this is the shareholders. There we have the Mark Demo, Joel Wells, and there we have Redeemat, Julie Richard. And for them, there you can see the ownership percentage of them. Okay, and you can also add investors. Okay, very easily you can add investors from here once you're opening any company cards as well. So basically this help you to clearly understand who owns how much of the company. Okay, so now let's move on to the equity transaction. Like if we are just moving on to the equity transaction, there you can simply create new kind of equity transaction, which means a new investment happens. You can simply shares and update it. So Odoo record it as an equity transaction. You can simply create them. So every transaction directly affect ownership and company values very easily. Okay, now let's talk about the company valuation. Like from here itself, you can find the company valuation. The total valuation can be, total can be applied once you're just looking at the company card itself. But from here itself, you can see the valuation breakdowns of each of the shareholders. So you can see the valuation and track the growth using this particular graph once you are moving on to the company cards as well. So you can monitor how your company values change over time once you are just creating any kind of transaction with different kind of shareholders. So that's the thing. And one more thing is there we have a cap table. Once we are just opening any of the company cards, this is actually the cap table. Okay, so there you can see the name of this particular thing is actually cap table. Inside that cap table, you can find the shareholders, the valuation, ownership, and each and every kind of things. Okay, so the cap table is actually using to track investors clearly, avoid ownership confusion, make better financial decision as well. So if you new investor, if a kind of a new investor is actually joined, the cap table updates ownership automatically. Okay, so from here onwards, you can find each and every kind of details about your particular company and their each kind of things. We have different kind of options as well. Okay. So you guys are actually thinking about why this particular table is very important inside equity module. Because if you are not using this cap table or if we don't have this kind of explanation inside a particular company's card, you are actually using different kind of spreadsheet or the risks actually very high and there is no real time tracking as well. So Odoo actually automates the shareholders tracking and eliminates manual errors using this cap table. Okay. So that's why we are using this cap table. And from the cap table itself, in Odoo 19, you can find the shareholder's name, and there you can see the total shares. And now you can see the ownership percentage. There we have the voting rights. From here, it's onwards, you can find the dividend payout, the fully diluted, and as well as the valuation itself. Okay, so these are the main thing under the cap table that you can find. So that's all about the dashboard overview that I explained, the dashboard of your equity module. So from the equity modules dashboard itself, you can find each and every kind of the shareholders and the company ownership of your company. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another hidden kinds of updates in Odoo 19 or hidden features in Odoo 19. So till that, bye bye.